Oldcastle offers perimeter security barriers, physical threat barriers, and transformer fire protection with solutions for every application. Oldcastle wall systems are all made-to-order projects designed as a reinforced concrete post and panel system, where the panels slip-fit in between the grooves of two adjacent columns. The columns are supported by cast-in-place leveling anchors, and the panels are designed to bear directly onto a grade beam. Electrical substation critical infrastructure faces a growing number of risks to its security and ability to function. Critical Infrastructure Protection (CIP) solutions from Oldcastle Infrastructure are designed to secure and fortify the nation's energy sector assets from increasing threats and hazards. Defender walls are our premier ballistic protection product, providing high levels of ballistic resistance as well as a moderate amount of fire protection. These walls are often used to prevent line of sight of critical assets or as a station perimeter wall. TruFire walls are our best product to protect against transformer oil fires, which, as hydrocarbon fire, burn much hotter than typical fires. Their high level of heat resistance makes them the perfect solution for isolating transformers from adjacent critical assets. Like our Defender walls, TruFire walls have limited bullet resistance as well and can act as a lower-performing ballistic barrier. In April 2013, the electric utility Pacific Gas and Electric's Metcalfe substation fell under attack by a sniper. Within 19 minutes, the gunman had fired on 17 transformers and caused $15 million in damage. This attack led the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission, FERC, to develop physical security and reliability standards requiring bulk power system owners to evaluate their risk and implement a security plan to address vulnerabilities. Oldcastle's Defender walls are designed to act as physical barriers to protect any and all critical assets at a substation site. They provide two critical measures of performance as ballistic and fire barriers. Defender walls maintain a UL 752 Level 8 rated ballistic resistance. These walls are able to withstand 5 shots from a 7.62mm rifle utilizing lead core, full metal jacket, and military ball rounds grouped within a 4.5-inch square. Oldcastle's Defender walls are also rated with a 2-hour fire endurance in accordance with PCI 10.5.1. Oil-insulated transformers are widely used to transform voltage for electrical utility, electric transmission, and power generation stations. Transformer oil is a highly flammable hydrocarbon fluid used to insulate and cool the transformer that burns much hotter than most construction materials. In rare instances, arcing can occur within the body of a transformer and ignite the transformer oil, leading to explosions and fires. Design standards require that oil-insulated transformers are surrounded by a pit to contain the spread of oil if released from the transformer body to prevent explosions and fires. Transformer oil can create fires that burn over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit in temperature. Station designers will use isolation walls as physical barriers to make sure potential fires caused by an oil-insulated transformer do not damage other critical equipment or present additional harm to human life. Oldcastle's TruFire wall has been tested at fire exposure temperatures of 1,960 degrees Fahrenheit and 2,150 degrees Fahrenheit with a 45 psi water jet blast. It received a 4-hour fire endurance rating. TruFire walls maintain a UL 752 Level 3 rated ballistic resistance. These walls can withstand sufficient impact resistance to survive shrapnel impingement and are capable of stopping a .44 Magnum ballistic projectile with no through penetration. These walls are constructed using 6,500 psi refractory concrete. Here, a TruFire wall's installation at a 765 kilovolt substation is shown both protecting the substation from external factors, as well as protecting the rest of the site from potential hazards. Both the TruFire walls and Defender walls are available with 3-hour fire-rated doors with door frames cast into wall panels. Oldcastle can procure a customer's anchor bolts, templates, and other hardware, as well as work with a third-party consulting engineering group to offer custom foundation and anchor bolt design for a more turnkey solution. Grounding clamp locations are available in the column-based plates, along with custom base plate covers to accommodate a grounding wire.